scalp checked, or please feel free to inbox us. Any questions that you may have, please contact us. Please send in your comments and your thoughts. They will be appreciated, and we will respond to you if you have questions. We'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Once again,
this is P2P Nation, and just piggyback off of what Dr. Robinson said. If y'all have any questions, please let us know. You can reach me at SwanaJ at SwanaJHairDesigns.com. Stephanie could be reached at
Stephanie.Bennett81@gmail.com.
and I can be reached at wigsbySuzette64@gmail.com.
And let's not forget Greg.
Oh yeah, Mr. Greg. What's Greg's? Greg
Bays.
Bays for hair
At AOL.com.
Absolutely.
And we will also, after the show is posted, we'll post these pictures, cranials a little closer for you to see more vividly. And if you have any questions, especially like with the build-up and stuff, contact us. We're here to serve you. We're here to help. That's what we're here for. So, until next time, y'all, we'll see y'all later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.